Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll tell you how to extend shipping time on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone and go to your account at the bottom right. Now we want to find my orders section, and here find the order that you want to extend your shipping time for and tap on it to open its details, so that now it should look approximately like this. So then you have to find a button that says extend processing time or something like extend delivery time. So you press it and you will see a box where you can enter number of days that you want to extend your shipping time for, and the maximum day that you can enter is 113 days. So that's basically how you can extend your shipping time on AliExpress. And if this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.